Hi, my name is Mads. Welcome to the Panasonic PTZ world. If you want to add a great mounting solution for your PTZ cameras, you should check out the Panapod. You can control it via foot pedals or your remote panel, like the RP60 or RP150. Set it at a certain height, store presets for different sitting or standing presenters, and quit fooling around with that unleveled tripod. Feel free to comment below. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to become a PTZ master yourself. Until next time, take care.